Hey everybody, this is JP Hunt with Inksoft. Hey, I wanted to call your attention to our latest marketing kit. Now, to access the Inksoft marketing kits, you just head to inksoft.com and you click resources, and there you can select marketing kits. Now, let me give you a quick little understanding of what marketing kits are. We began constructing these when COVID first became a thing. And really, this was a reaction to, hey, our customers are going to need help now more than ever, right? Given sort of the disruption and the weirdness that COVID bestowed upon us. So really a marketing kit is sort of a breakdown of a sales and marketing opportunity. And we support that with data, with examples, with insights, and we really break down the strategy. But we took it one step further, and what the Inksoft marketing team has done is we've copywritten social media messaging, email marketing messaging, call to actions, website messaging. So really what we're doing with these marketing kits is teaching you a new way to go to market and promote, a particular strategy. But at the same time, we're giving you professionally copywritten assets to help support that campaign. So our latest marketing kit is the Back to School marketing kit. And again, back to school marketing happens now. You have to be proactive and be the first of your competitors to reach out to PTOs, to school administration, to parents, to consumers. So back to school marketing starts well ahead of August. So that said, we wanted to release this kit to give you plenty of time to be proactive and reap the most rewards from this marketing strategy. So in terms of getting the most from this marketing kit, of course, we're going to urge you to read the blog post that breaks down the strategy and shares some key insights and examples. We're also hosting a webinar, a live webinar with Q&A, where we're going to give you some extra insights and tips and, of course, answer your questions. Now, the most important thing here, once you understand the strategy, is make sure to register for the free Back to School marketing kit. And again, I'm going to walk you through that in just a moment's time. So what's unique about this marketing kit? Back to school marketing seems fairly straightforward, right? But we unveil some new perspectives. And some of these perspectives are just different ways to market and really reap the rewards. So we break down the corporate advertising program, which is exciting. We break down how to fundraise and leverage the power and potential of online fundraising stores, leveraging Inksoft to make back to school sales a real hit this year. We're also invoke the Campus Ambassador Program, which is a great way to penetrate more sales opportunities on campus. And we break down the classic bundle strategy. So make certain to read the strategy, and at the very bottom is where you can register for the marketing kit. And let me show you what you get with that ultimate back to school marketing kit. So again, this is a professionally copywritten turnkey marketing messaging. So feel free to customize this as you see fit, but this is a great place to get started. So here's what we provide. We provide email messaging in different versions. So if you want to do an outreach email campaign to school administration, PTO organizations, we've written copy that's going to speak directly to that audience. Then we have the local business pitch. So you can recruit local businesses to sponsor Spiritwear back to school online stores. So they get some great marketing uplift. And of course, you can monetize that. So there's a lot of options and potential there. Then we have general messaging. So email marketing, social captions, again, in different voices to reach different audiences. And again, those general headlines and CTAs that you can use on your Inksoft online stores. So a great way to, again, promote and make clear your offering as it relates to back to school. So we're really excited to be able to release this proactively to help you make the most of back to school sales this year. I would also encourage you to think about back to school as not something that just happens in August, but it's the start of something. And really think of school sales maybe as concluding at graduation. And so there's so many different sales opportunities, from the start of back to school in August all the way to graduation. So really excited to be able to deliver this, and we're really excited to hear your feedback. So if you have any questions, if you have feedback or insights to help improve these marketing kits, we'd love to hear your ideas. So you can always reach me at jp@inksoft.com. Well, we hope this helps empower and enable you to really make the most of back to school sales this coming year, which is going to look a lot different than, of course, last year. So we hope you make the most of this. And again, please share any feedback you have.